front of me is Realme 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to find Google folder and click on it. Then select Files app. Now tap on those three lines at the top left corner and select Clean over here. Finally, hit Clean under Junk Files and then Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!